Hi, I'm Paige from Acoustic, and this is the new pocket acoustic camera from Sound. The Cry 8025 is a compact handheld acoustic camera designed to help you locate and visualise leaks. And it really is the size of a smartphone. This clever little device will instantly detect gas, air and steam leaks, electrical partial discharge and even mechanical faults. And the brilliant thing is, it even works well in noisy environments. The camera uses an array of microphones to pinpoint exactly where the sound of these leaks is coming from. It then displays the result as a visual image on the screen. You can take a photo or a video of the leak and post-process the data to create a report to support maintenance decisions. The Cry 8025 is quick and simple to use, and its compact size means that it's easy to carry around site and to different locations. And because it has 64 microphones in the array, it can detect leaks from up to 120 metres away. The camera can be used across a wide range of industries, including waste to energy, oil and gas, power generation, manufacturing, aerospace and automotive. And despite all of its capabilities, the price point is lower than you think. Please get in touch via the contact information below if you'd like to know more.